So just a quick lowdown. The roads are going to be a bit bouncy and bumpy, so let's all try to hold on to our valuables. Phones, cookies, wallets, hats, children. Right, yeah. Let's keep a good eye on them, folks. And animals on the reserve are relaxed. We'll be getting quite close to them. You guys are more than welcome to take pictures, you can ask me questions. But as much as the animals are relaxed, they're still wild animals. So let's try not to make loud noise around the animals so we can keep everything at a talking level. No need to be whispering. Because after we're going on a game drive, not a funeral. Right? So we can express ourselves there and there. And yeah, sudden movement. So things like waving at the animals, it does trigger them. So try not to wave at the animals. Right? And yeah, and as much as you are allowed to use phones, we'll try to put them on silent as well. So loud ringing can trigger the animals. And yeah, folks, so also if you have any refuse on you, if there's anything you guys want to dispose of, yeah, folks, let's go down and go check out the animals a bit closer.
They can hear 160 times, huh?
100 times more especially.
They can't understand, right?
No, they can't understand, but they can
Just
just
joking.
hear. No, luckily they don't.
See the baby. Baby. Kannukutti Mary.
They have this fake colors.
Grey color இருக்குல்ல?
Right there at the very top, we have an impala.
It's drinking from his mouth.
This way.
Alright, folks, so yeah, we have some Wildebeest. And it's calving season right now. So, because the wildebeest having a designated mating season, all the females get pregnant at the same time. So this actually helps the babies increases their chances of survival because there's more babies to go around just in case predation happens.
Okay.
This increases the ratio.
Baby.
And a baby wildebeest can start running
My
within 10
baby.
minutes after being born.
My baby.
10 minutes.
Papa.
Like waddling goes.
Right.
See the giraffe, Kitty?
Nee.
See there.
Nee.
Hello.
On the bird.
The bird?
Jackal.
The bird?
Jackal, sir. Jackal.
Jackal buzzard.
Take a bite.
Jackal.
I see giraffe.
The baby ones, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hello, Kita. Baby.
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 It's a baby.
Mama, giraffe.
Oh.
Baby giraffe.
Oh, baby giraffe.
Mm.
Where is baby giraffe?
Mm.
Oh, there.
Papa, you can't eat it.
This is female.
I don't know female. Oh, enggak parah. Itu tadi nih.
He's 31 years old. And generally giraffe, they will live for 25 years. No poaching as well. And which means they're going to get more sleep. So they can sleep for up to 1 hour. Where generally they're going to sleep for 30 minutes, or 50 minutes to 30 minutes in one day. So giraffe have the shortest sleeping span out of all land animals in the world. But as much as their sleeping span is a bit short, it's very good quality sleep. Because for them, it takes around about 30 seconds to go through all the 4 stages of sleep. Just 30 seconds. For us, it's going to take us around about 2 to 4 hours. Right. So, yeah, that's why they sleep so well.
அம்மா அங்க அவங்க சொல்லுங்க ஹலோ
You're pulling out there, yeah. And there's another one that's a little bit older.
அம்மா காடு தெரியுதுல அது ரொம்ப ஒயிட்டா இருக்கு
There's a baby and there's one that's a little bit older. You see that? Oh, shoot, look at that. What's the smaller one?
Yeah, but so, what do you guys think? Are there black animals and white stripes or white animals and black stripes?
white animals and white stripes
Alright, awesome. Which are that? Bite you and it's itchy. Yeah, something like that. But they're going to put brown dust or sand on them. You know sand? They put sand on them. So this sand actually helps get rid of ticks.
Like you do.
Just like your dog does. Your dog sometimes just gets playing with the dust.
springbok
Those are still imposters.
Oh, there's okay.
a baby
Bum has an M.
Yes,
Yeah, Bamasiam, yeah.
Bum, then it's an impala. If it's just a pure white patch, then it's a
Yeah, the horn.
அந்த எம் இருக்குல்ல
அம்மா கண்ணு இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு